Then the other problem which they used to have was this gas stoves. They were not sure when this gas was getting empty. They said, where is it is not going to any reserve this thing. So in other words, they were not knowing when this gas cylinder is going to become empty, and when it becomes empty, immediately it has to be replaced with a new cylinder. They were not very confident that this new cylinder would come immediately from this foreign oil, come from this Suryodaya. Then there was this thing. What is the other type of problem? This gas cylinder has to be fitted by a person from this company, and he has to enter the kitchen. Many sections of the users, they were not willing at that point of time, kindly appreciate, to allow any stranger into their kitchen. They did not want these strangers to come into their kitchen. So faced with all these problems, that is the gas stove demanding constant attention, then for some of these user segments, they were not very happy with this rubber being used in the gas stove, some of the orthodox sections. So it was a challenge for this Ramchandran how to make this product become acceptable in this market. So it was a cost of the product, cost of usage of the product, and the product itself. Now this case gives you a wonderful idea of how this gas cylinder, when it was introduced in the 50s, what were the types of shortcomings which people felt was in this new product. Given this, it is a new product, how should a company go about accelerating the diffusion of this product and also acceptance of the same? So how does a company do that? So this gentleman Ramchandran was in this unenviable position of making this happen in the Udyannagar market. Being in a marketing function, the other important aspect was, given the scenario, what type of communication he would use. How do you communicate with your prospective users? In other words, you had a kitchen in the Sagadi which used to give a lot of smokes and fumes. Then he put a local insertion ad in the local newspapers, saying that by making use of this gas stove, you will have a very clean kitchen, no smoke, no use of coal. So all this, again putting water for reuse, all those things are avoided. You had a better kitchen. He put a newspaper, but it was not serving the total communication effort. So it required a better communication effort on the part of Ramchandran. So what are the types of problems that you can, or issues that you can think of in this particular case? So you can look at the problems faced by this company Suryodaya in the introduction of this new product in Udyannagar market. The second problem is, given these types of problems, how should this company try to accelerate the diffusion and acceptance of this new product? The third, which as a marketing man you should do, is what is the type of creative marketing communication ideas that you can put forward for the acceptance, for both diffusion and acceptance of this product. The fourth issue that which I listed was, there is a lot of consumer resistance for the adoption of this product. So in the light of this consumer resistance for the adoption of this product, how should consumer benefits be projected, and to which section? How do you project this? And what is the type of reasoning that you will give? These are the types of issues that came up when this new product was introduced into the market. This is a very classic case in the 50s. All the facts and figures in this particular case refer to that time period. Now you can try to answer the questions going back in time. What could have been done by this gentleman Ramchandran, what he did not do for these issues, and how he could have handled, or how he should have handled these issues in a perhaps a better manner if it was there. And now you can also get a comparative idea in 2019. What is the gas stove price, what is the price of the gas cylinder, how is its acceptance in the market, all the types of comparative ideas you can get into this. This could be a good starting point for a case discussion. You can apply all the types of concepts that were discussed in case analysis to this particular case, make your own decision making, and that could serve you as a good harbinger for the next cases that we may discuss in this subject in the next lectures. Thank you.